Hi, I'm Austan Goolsbee, Chairman of the Council of Economic Advisors, and I know it's tax time and a lot of people filling out their taxes. If you are, you're probably greatly relieved that we extended the tax cuts last December. But some people don't know that the president also put in place $160 billion of additional tax cuts and extensions that are also benefiting you, and some of them have gone right into your paycheck already this year. On whitehouse.gov, we've created a tax cut calculator tool so anybody could go on there and see exactly what kinds of benefits are going right into their paycheck or going to help you and your families personally. So I wanted to just walk you through that a little. I'm married, filing jointly, so I'll fill it out. The average income of a household in Chicago, where I'm from, is around $75,000. So let's say you made $35,000. Let's say your spouse made $40,000. First of all, it would tell you got $1,500 of payroll tax cut that's gone right into your paycheck. You don't even have to file your taxes to get that. Do you have other income? Let's say I don't have any other income. I have 3 kids, but the child tax credit gives you up to $1,000 per child. If you have a kid in college, mine are a little younger, but if you do, you get up to $2,500 per student per year through the American Opportunity Tax Credit. And if you click through, the tax savings checklist will lay all of this out for you, and it adds up to a lot. So I know nobody likes filling out their taxes, but if you go to the tax cut calculator on whitehouse.gov, it may make you feel a little bit better.